he has a really good heart. Yun, sabi ko. Kasi yun nga, parang everyone, parang a lot of people can have the looks, can have the brains, but not a lot of people can have a good heart. So, yun yung nakita ko sa kanya. Saka, napaka-gentleman niya. And respectful siya talaga. Saka, mabait siya kasi talaga eh. Mabait siyang tao. And, siguro yung pagiging genuine niya. And he's been always true to himself. So, that's what I admire.
Ngayon
Tsaka
ba?
down to earth. Kahit na ang kilala siya, parang he acts like a normal person.
Kinwento niya nga how you guys met yung sa soiree. Parang cute.
Third year.
Pero kailan mo nasabing parang mas nag-develop yung friendship niyo? Sa 2 years lang.
Ano lang eh, yun, June lang talaga. Dahil sa placement office. Pero June lang talaga. Kasi hindi kami masyado nag-uusap nung when we see each other siguro. Nung June, hindi, summer pala, nung B-League, nung nanood siya. Nung graduation, nagkatabi yung mom niya, tsaka mom ko. As in, nagkatabi sa graduation.
So, parang hindi nila kilala yung isa't
Hindi na kilala isa't isa, pero kilala ako ng mom ni Robbie. Tapos, kilala ko si Robbie. Tapos, basta pinakalala kami. Tapos, yung upuan nila magkatabi. Hindi ko alam ba't may pangalan yung upuan ko. Siguro may reservation. Tapos, yung upuan ng mom ko, tsaka upuan ng mommy niya, magkatabi. Tapos, doon nag-exchange yata sila ng number. Tapos, sila muna yung nagkayayaan. So, kaya ngayon, niyaya kami ng family nila sa bahay niya. Tapos, nag-ano kami doon. Birthday kasi ng dad niya. So, niyaya family kami. So, parang family friends kami. Doon kami nag-start. And then, nanood sila ng game namin right after that. Tapos doon kami nag-start na usap.
Nakikita mo ba yung sarili mo with Robbie parang years down the line? Parang in the long term? Is it worth to tell?
Of course, I do. Kasi, yun nga, I wouldn't be dating someone this long if I didn't see them in my future. Or, Tsaka, parang yun nga, sabi ko, he's really good-hearted kasi. So, and yun nga, parang contrary to what, the buzz says, na hindi approve yung family ko, ganun. So, parang okay naman okay siya with the family. And, parang I think everything is good naman. So, yun.